Did you know that you can connect InVideo to Claude? Let me show you the steps how to do that. Once you're inside Claude, simply click your account on the lower left hand side, go to settings, then click on connectors on the lower left hand side. Now from here you want to browse the connectors, and on the web section scroll down and you will find InVideo. Once you click on that, you're able to connect InVideo AI directly to Claude. The only thing is that, guys, you really need to upgrade first. So you will see that you have to upgrade to connect. And so once you upgrade, you will just need to have at least the pro version, which is 15 euros per month there, and you'll be able to get a ton of benefits with that, and you can actually use any apps as well. So as you can see, once you upgrade, you'll be able to connect directly to InVideo, and you'll be able to basically use the power of Claude along with InVideo. And that was super powerful, guys. That's literally mind-blowing. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.